New listing alert in Puyallup. If you've been waiting for easy living without sacrificing comfort, this is it. Tucked into the desirable San Souci 55 plus community, you guys, this home offers space, functionality, and a lifestyle that just makes sense. Are you ready to check it out?
Just check out how darling this place is. Over here, you've got your living room, or honestly, a really great reading nook, and this pellet stove, perfect for those cozy, chilly nights. Right off this space, you've got the first bathroom, clean, simple, and easy to maintain, the best. Two really good-sized bedrooms. This one's open, and this one, well, we're gonna leave that one closed because someone's napping. Check out this kitchen. This is where things really start to open up. You've got storage, solid counter space, and everything is laid out in a way that just makes sense for everyday living. And check out this brand new LVP flooring throughout. Isn't it beautiful? It really ties everything together and gives it that fresh, updated feel. Second entry here with a fully covered patio, I know, and then it opens up to your family room and the dining space. This area is great. A little more room to spread out, entertain, and just relax. This whole space just feels open and connected. Check out this primary. Okay, this room is big. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here and still have plenty of space. In the primary bathroom, soaking tub, anyone? It's a great space to unwind at the end of the day. Coming back through, I just want to give you one more look at the kitchen from this side. You can really see how everything connects and flows together. 3 beds, 2 bath, 1,430 square feet, and only for $125,000. Let's go! And one of the things that really makes this community stand out is the clubhouse. You've got a library space to relax or read, a large gathering area for events, and a full event calendar, so there's always something going on if you want to be involved. You've got shuffleboard, pool tables, all the shared space to stay active and connect with your neighbors. And outside, there's a pool for the warmer months. And you guys, there's a sauna coming soon in the men's and women's bathrooms.
Homes in this community sell quickly, especially ones like this. A corner lot, one of the largest in the neighborhood, and a fully fenced yard make this one stand out. If this feels like the right next step, because why wouldn't it? Let's connect. Message me to schedule a private tour before it's gone. Come on.